I just went on vacation by myself. And I had so much fun, probably because when I checked into the resort, I said, this was supposed to be my honeymoon. They were so nice to me. I got fired from my last job. Aww. No, it was fair. I had stopped working. When they fired me, they called me into HR, and they were like, Michelle, it seems like you're just not doing your job. And I was like, yeah, but for like 9 months. So I think 2 of us haven't been doing our jobs. It's weird, you wait all day to do something and you're a procrastinator. But if you do it first thing in the morning, you're an alcoholic. Make up your mind, HR. We're fat in America. We did it, USA, USA. Oh no, my arm's tired. You know when someone breaks up with you and they gain weight and that makes you really happy? I bet that's how England feels about us. Hey, America, you look different. How's math and science? You know, they said in 2013 in America that the obesity rate climbed, which I think is the wrong way to say that statistic. I think the obesity rate sat on the couch and got bigger. It's why I think we should change the name of type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes to not your fault diabetes and mostly your fault diabetes. I like going to the gym. I just don't understand why the guys at the gym get as big as they do. Doesn't make sense to me. Because I've never heard a girl be like, oh my God, you see that guy? He is so muscular. It is so sexy. I love how his head just sits on his shoulders. He lost his neck, oh God. He doesn't have a neck, it's so sexy. I want to give him a hickey on his clavicle, I guess. Anytime I see one of those guys, I want to walk by him and just be like, your dad's never going to be proud of you. But I did see a girl at the gym who had a really great butt, and I wanted to know how she got it. So I wanted to ask her, what kind of exercises do you do for your butt? But instead I go, hey, what kind of butt stuff do you do? We all make mistakes. My friend recently got shine tattooed on her wrist. And at first I thought it said shin. And I was like, you did this wrong. You mislabeled yourself. But it did say shine, so I bit, and I was like, why did you get shine tattooed on your wrist? And she goes, so I remember to shine. I'm sorry, are we in a musical? About you auditioning to be in a musical? But then I thought about it, and I was like, what would I get tattooed on my wrist if I needed to be reminded of something? I'd probably get like, loosen up, have fun, have a margarita, have another margarita. Tighten up a little bit. No, really, shut it down. I wish these were bigger. Remember to stop having margaritas. Remember the Alamo. Remember to look up what the Alamo is. You know, it's because you say things like that you don't have a ring here and you never will. Aww. I'm a treasure. But in Chinese. Don't have a bagel, don't have a bagel. Whoops, I ate 7 bagels. I want to move to San Francisco and start a group of girls called the Bay Gals who get together and eat bagels. A bird, because I'm a woman that can't be caged. You can't cage this bird. Shin. Because I got it right. All these tattoos are really gonna hurt your chances of finding a man. You better be ready to shine. Thanks a lot, guys. You've been great. I'm Michelle Wolf.